Over the past 20 years, the suicide rate here in Texas has increased by nearly 30%. A luncheon at the Acres Homes Multi-Service Center today brought out several groups that provide resources to help people struggling. KPRC 2's Devin Clark has more on today's message.
Yeah, the event only lasted a few hours, but people who came believe the impact can last a lifetime and even save lives.
I was running from all the trauma that was caused by the people that were supposed to keep me safe.
Amanda Hall says at the height of her depression, she hit rock bottom.
You didn't even realize how serious things had gotten.
I didn't realize that I was addicted to 3 separate drugs.
Strung out, unhealthy, and suicidal. Hall says she made the tough but necessary decision to call the suicide helpline, which led her to the Ben Taub Neuropsychiatric Center.
This time, I would rather be helped than try to end it all again.
Hall was placed in the crisis stabilization unit and then sent to rehab at Santa Maria Hospital, which caters to single women and women with children. Hall healed and became inspired to join the mission to help others get through tough situations, now working with the Women's Home.
Wow, look at the smile you have.
I am elated. I want to help people. I want to teach people what I've learned, what happens after you press play on a new life.
A theme that was the focus of today's Let's Talk Mental Health Luncheon, sharing resources for a vast demographic struggling with mental health issues.
I focus primarily on youth 12 to 17 years of age who are dealing with mood and behavioral disorders. Whether it is, acting out in school in the classroom with ADHD diagnosis or just problems at home with aggression, punching holes in the wall. I'm with the African American Male Wellness Agency, and every third Thursday, what we have is called Real Man, Real Talk. And what Real Man, Real Talk is, men come together, we call it taking a mask off. It's a safe space. We talk about stuff that men don't feel comfortable talking to their spouse about. They might not feel comfortable talking to their homeboys about.
And it's also important as a veteran to have community, to have friends, to, exercise. All of those things are efficient in our mental health. Anxiety, depression, during and after the service.
How important was it for you to seek help?
It's very important.
As you've heard, struggling with mental health can be hard, but right here in the Houston area, there is a multitude of services that cater to common and unique issues. Visit click2houston.com for a list of services. Reporting from Acres Home, Devin Clark, KPRC 2 News.